Welcome back, future science wizards. If you are gearing up for board exams and aiming to conquer crucial chapter-wise questions, you are in the right spot. In today's video, we have compiled important questions and answers for class 10th science chapters to boost your confidence and enhance your understanding. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications on our latest videos. So let's begin with the first chapter, Chemical Reactions and Equations. Here is the first question. Which substance is added to foods high in oil and fat to prevent rancidity? The answer to this question is antioxidants are added to foods high in oil and fats to prevent rancidity. Antioxidants prevent oxidation of fats and oils. Next question. List any two changes that take place when oily food get oxidized. The answer to this question is the two prominent changes that takes place when oily foods get oxidized are bad taste and unpleasant smell. Next question. What are the two conditions that are necessary for the rusting of iron? The answer to this question is the two conditions that are necessary for the rusting of iron are the presence of water, which has an acidic pH, and presence of oxygen. If any one of the above conditions is present, then rusting would not happen. Next question. Why is aluminium called a self-protecting metal? The answer to this question is aluminium is chemically a very reactive metal and it reacts with atmospheric oxygen to form a thin layer of aluminium oxide, which is sticky in nature. This oxide protects the metal from further corrosion. Next question. On what chemical law balancing of chemical equations is based? Answer to this question. Balancing of a chemical equation is based on the law of conservation of mass. Next question. Why do we apply paint on iron articles? Answer to this question is iron articles are painted to prevent them from rusting. Once an iron article is painted, the contact of iron articles from moisture and air is cut off, thus preventing rusting. Next question. Name a few chemical reactions taking place in our everyday life. Answer to this question is photosynthesis, respiration, digestion, corrosion, combustion of fuel, formation of curd, rotting of food, etc. Next question. What do you observe when a matchstick flame is brought near a test tube containing hydrogen gas? Answer to this question is when a matchstick flame is brought near a tube containing hydrogen gas, it burns with a pop sound. Next question. Why do we store silver chloride in dark colored bottles? Answer to this question is we store silver chloride in the dark colored bottles because silver chloride decomposes into silver and chlorine gas in sunlight. Next question. What is a redox reaction? Answer to this question is a redox reaction is a reaction involving both oxidation and reduction that occurs simultaneously. Before we proceed to the next question, please take a moment to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. This way, they can also review these important questions. Here is the next question. What is corrosion? The answer to this question is corrosion is defined as a natural process that causes the transformation of pure metals into undesirable substances when they react with substances like water or air. Next question. What is rancidity? Answer to this question is rancidity is a term that refers in the most general way to the spoilage of food in such a way that it becomes unacceptable for consumption. Food is rancid due to the presence of fats and oils within them that are oxidized, and the food's smell and taste change. Next question. What is meant by endothermic reaction? The answer to this question is the endothermic process is a term that describes a reaction where the system absorbs the energy from its surrounding in the form of heat. Example, photosynthesis and melting of ice. Next question. What is meant by exothermic reactions? Answer to this question is the exothermic reaction is the opposite of an endothermic reaction. It releases energy by light or heat to its surroundings. Example, neutralization or burning of a substance. Next question. Why is photosynthesis considered as an endothermic reaction? The answer to this question is photosynthesis is considered as an endothermic reaction because heat is absorbed in this reaction. Next question. What is meant by oxidation reaction? The answer to this question is the gain of oxygen or loss of hydrogen is known as oxidation reaction. Next question. What is meant by the reduction reaction? The answer to this question is the gain of hydrogen or losing of oxygen is known as reduction reaction. Next question. Which gas is used to store fat and oil containing foods for a long time? Answer to this question is nitrogen gas is used to store fat and oil containing foods for a long time. Next question. Why do silver articles turn black when kept in the open for a few days? Name the phenomenon involved. Answer to this question is the silver article turns black when kept in the air because the silver article reacts with sulfur compounds such as hydrogen sulfide present in the air to form silver sulfide. This phenomenon is called corrosion. It is also known as tarnishing of silver. And here is the last question. Why should a magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in air? Here is the answer of this question. Magnesium gets covered with a layer of magnesium oxide when kept in air for a long time. This layer hinders the burning of magnesium. Hence, it is to be cleaned before burning. I am sure that you all found these questions beneficial for your preparation. The important questions from Chapter 2 will be presented next. Kindly subscribe to my channel to receive notifications promptly. Looking forward to reconnecting with you soon. Goodbye.